Welcome back to my face shaping studio, the place where we not only create beauty but also fall in love with ourselves. This is how I decided to begin today's video, but I hope you don't mind. Anyway, we are in day 10 of our marathon. Today we're going to work with sculpting of our facial shape of our oval. I decided that we're going to break this technique in 2 days. So we are going to do day 10 first part and day 11 another day second part. Both of them will be about face lifting, sculpting, and glowing. As always, we're doing here facial glowing. What I need you to do now, I hope that you have done day 7 to preheat our upper part of the body, to work with the posture. And if you've already done day 1, it's also good. If no, that's okay, don't do this. And if you have not done anything, I think that it's better for you to massage a little bit your head, your roses, do all of this before we begin today's lesson. Massage your ears a little bit, and I want that you work. You see, I have redness because I've already done day 7 and I have already preheat my body. If you have not done this and you don't want, then you actually, it's okay if you don't do, but better results would be if you just follow our routine. Okay, do a little bit the SCM muscle massage. If you have already done, if you have not done, both okay. This is what we're doing. Okay, we are jumping in the main part. Okay, I am having here an open ear, and that's for a reason, because the first part will be working with our ears. Trust me, you do not need to massage your face every day constantly to have results on your face, right? Our whole body is an interconnected system. Everything depends on everything, right? And the way our area around the ears looks like is directly proportional on how our face looks like. So what I want you to do, probably you have some oily skin. In this case, use a piece of paper. I will be with or without. If you don't have, we will be grabbing and catching the skin behind the ears. So like this, right? So I'm grabbing, catching. Your job is to stick out the skin behind the ears. If you don't need the paper, for example, in my case, I don't like to use the paper behind my ears, so I don't want it. I grab it and I catch it. So like this, I grab it, catch it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Use the paper, I insist. Up. So everything behind the ears. Grab it, catch it, even vibrate. We want to lift our face, the lower part, right? We want to, or not only the lower part, but also we want to make it all, remove this sagging with years or with the swelling which we have accumulated down. Grab it all around, and now let's massage. So our job is to release the way for our skin to be lifted, right? If you're doing massages on your face or fitness exercises, however, there is like a jam in our aponeurosis. That's why I told you to massage the head. In our ears, where will the face be lifted up? I'm asking you. So everything makes sense. Everything depends on everything. The other side. Grab it. Here I feel more stagnation, more fixation. So I will take a piece of paper and use it to grab the skin behind the ears. Some of you will realize that you cannot grab anything. Impossible. Yeah, like there is nothing to grab. It means that you are still in this position, but that's okay, don't worry. It is something to work with. try to at least move it like this. Those who cannot grab anything, any tissues, yeah, anything. Okay, who cannot catch absolutely anything will be just moving. By the way, relax your jaw. Don't do this. When we are working with the ears, our jaw must be relaxed. That's why before the marathon, the previous days, we were several times working with our jaw and relaxing the masseters. For a reason. All of this for a reason. Lower under. And up. Here also. Those who can make a roll, do the roll. Up and up. All right. How do you feel? I am sure that. Repeat. I'm sure that you are feeling already more open and fresh. I like this word fresh because this is the exact feeling face shaping is giving to me. We are going to pull our ears now. Open your jaw, drop it. We don't open the jaw. Open the mouth, drop your jaw, and pull the ears up and back. Oh, nice. Try to relax the back side of the neck. Sit straight. Lower back is straight. And you're kind of like falling in between your arms. Pull. Strong. Feel this weird pain. Stretchy pain. We are not doing anything like this. We are doing everything mildly, slowly, but strongly. Okay. If you are losing your ears, well, because of the skin, really use this paper. One more time. Okay. Put the ears back. Nice. And stroke. All right, and now what we are going to do, we're going to go along all this side. Grab under the jaw in the angle of humerus, somewhere here. Grab, roll, massage. Now grab next to it, massage. And now we're going before the ear. I want you to collect as much tissues as you possibly can. So we're going up. Grab it, grab it, grab it, and move up. Here is where the masseters are, the strongest muscle on our ears. Masseters. And that's why the skin here is difficult to collect. But we are going up. Up. Grab it, collect it. If you cannot roll like I'm rolling, because I've already rolled from here until here, you grab one place, release it, grab another place, release it, grab another place, release it, grab another. With time, you will be able to grab more. Painful, unpleasant, but will go on. and up along the hairline. Here comes the area where you will probably be having difficulties to go up, so as much as you can. Those who can go upper goes higher. Grab, grab, grab. Nice. The other side. Starting under the angle of the youth. Grab it, massage. This is how we are releasing the fibrosis from this area. And go up. If you have nails, be careful. Probably it will be very difficult for you to grab. Okay. Higher. Sit straight, shoulders down. Higher. Moving to the hairline. Hold it. Vibrate. Make the tissues move. Grab as much as you can. It's really hard in here. And we have arrived to these places where it's almost impossible to catch the skin. That is why we will be first massaging. Your skin must move like this, like mine. You see, it goes in all directions. You want more? Use the paper. Grab. Grab, grab, grab. Almost impossible, but we try as much as we can. Even like this. Oof. I feel how you know that the jam is opening, is allowing our blood to move, is allowing our skin to lift. Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. And now I will release my hair, and let's lift, 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 lift. Ooh, so nice. Oof. Beautiful, beautiful. Hold it and drop the jaw. Tightly hold here. Okay. Okay. All right. How are you feeling? The last exercise we're going to do now is release the masseters. What I want you to do, I want you to put, you can do it with 2 hands or with 1 hand, both okay. I will show from here. Do not shift the jaw. You stay straight. Relax. And push the lower side of the masseter. Better to do at the same time, because then you do not need to control the shift of the jaw. Down. down, and down. And now massage. Ah. Okay. Stroke along your neck. Open up your neckline, and we have finished day 10. On day 11, we will continue our lifting exercise. So don't miss it, but don't do day 10 and day 11 in one day. You must do it in 2 days, because these are quite powerful techniques. You should not repeat them too often, first of all, and do not do them all in one day. Okay? We are done. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. For any questions, feel free to text me in the comment section below, and we have done. We're finished. See you on day 11.